Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best portable air conditioners that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Feeling too hot at home or in your office during the summer? Traditional fans just blow air, and window AC units are bulky and expensive. What if you could get instant cooling anywhere, without heavy installation? Meet the JRD Portable Air Cooler FKT007R, a compact, easy-to-use cooling solution for your home, bedroom, or office. Portable and lightweight, move it anywhere easily with its slim 28-inch height and 2.4-gallon tank. For cooling modes and 3 speeds, customize airflow and cooling intensity. Mist function with ice packs, includes 4 ice packs for extra chill. 12-hour timer and remote control, set it and relax without manual adjustments. Swamp Cooler technology provides efficient evaporative cooling, ideal for bedrooms, offices, or garages. Pros: energy efficient compared to full AC units. Easy to move and set up. Remote control adds convenience. Cons: cooling is most effective in dry climates. Smaller tank means more frequent refills for continuous use. People in apartments, bedrooms, or offices who need portable cooling. Users looking for an affordable alternative to traditional ACs. Anyone who wants quick relief from summer heat without permanent installation. At $129.99, the JRD Portable Air Cooler gives you convenient, energy-efficient cooling without breaking the bank. Number 4. Introducing the Verminget 2026 Upgraded Portable Air Cooler, a windowless, powerful, and ultra-quiet cooling solution for your home, bedroom, or apartment. 10-gallon detachable tank, large capacity for up to 30 hours of continuous cooling. 120 degrees oscillation, spreads cool air evenly across the room. Ultra-quiet operation, perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study rooms. Adjustable speeds in 3 wind modes, customize airflow for your comfort. Digital display and remote control, easy operation without leaving your seat. Freestanding and portable, lightweight plastic design allows easy movement anywhere. Airflow capacity, 2,500 CFM for effective cooling in medium to large rooms. Pros: massive 10-gallon tank for long-lasting cooling. Quiet operation, suitable for sleep or work. Wide 120 degrees oscillation for even air distribution. Cons: large size may take up floor space. Evaporative cooling works best in dry climates, less effective in humid areas. Ideal for bedrooms, apartments, garages, or offices needing long-lasting cooling. Perfect for people who want a windowless, portable, energy-efficient alternative to traditional ACs. Great for those who value quiet, uninterrupted operation. Priced at $189, the Verminget 2026 Portable Air Cooler is a high-capacity, convenient cooling solution offering hours of comfort without heavy electricity bills. Number 3. Check out the BIGoose 4-in-1 Windowless Portable Air Conditioner, a compact and powerful cooler designed for bedrooms, offices, garages, and more. 4 modes and 4 speeds, normal, natural, sleep, and cooling modes with adjustable wind speed. 3.2-gallon dual tank, provides up to 24 hours of continuous cooling with 2 included ice packs. Waterless alert system and 12H timer, smart auto shutoff prevents running dry and saves energy. Touch and remote controls, effortless operation from anywhere in the room. Detachable and easy to clean, removable water tank and cooling pad for simple maintenance. Portable design, built-in handle and 4x360 degrees wheels for easy mobility. Quiet and efficient, ultra-quiet motor suitable for bedrooms and offices, with 90 degrees oscillation for wide air distribution. Airflow capacity, 1,700 CFM, covering up to 350 square feet efficiently. Pros: long-lasting 24-hour cooling with large tank. Portable and easy to move around. Quiet operation, perfect for sleep or work. Cons: less effective in very humid climates. Slightly bulky for small rooms. Ideal for bedrooms, apartments, offices, garages, or RVs. Perfect for anyone who wants portable, windowless AC without installation hassles. Great for users who value long-lasting, quiet, and efficient cooling. At $199.99, the BIGoose 4-in-1 portable AC offers multi-mode, long-lasting cooling with smart features and easy mobility, a solid investment for summer comfort. Number 2. Meet the Amazon Basics 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, a versatile cooling solution for bedrooms and small apartments that combines cooling, dehumidifying, and ventilation in one unit. 3-in-1 functionality: cool, dry, and ventilate your room with one unit. 10,000 BTU cooling power, efficiently cools spaces up to 450 square feet. Remote control and digital display, adjust settings effortlessly from across the room. Auto mode and sleep mode, optimizes comfort and energy usage, especially during nighttime. Auto swing louvers, even air distribution across the room. Energy efficient, SEER rating of 17 and eco-friendly or 32 refrigerant. Portable and floor standing, compact design for easy placement and mobility. Pros: multifunctional, cooling, dehumidifying, and ventilation. Efficient for medium-sized rooms. Remote and auto features make operation convenient. Cons: higher price compared to smaller portable coolers. Requires venting setup through a window kit. Perfect for bedrooms, small apartments, or home offices needing reliable cooling. Great for people who want a multifunctional unit with dehumidifying capability. Ideal for users who want portable AC without permanent installation. Priced at $359.99, the Amazon Basics 3-in-1 portable AC delivers efficient cooling and dehumidifying for medium-sized rooms, a solid investment for summer comfort and air quality. Number 1. Introducing the GarveeLife 8000 BTU portable air conditioner, a compact and smart cooling solution for bedrooms and small apartments. Cooling, fan and dehumidifier, multifunctional 3-in-1 operation for comfort. 8000 BTU power, efficiently cools rooms up to 350 square feet. Remote control, adjust settings without leaving your seat. Smart compact design, fits easily in small spaces, with included window kit for venting. Quiet operation, runs at just 53 dB, ideal for bedrooms or offices. Portable and lightweight, 49 pounds with wheels for easy mobility. Energy efficient, 115V voltage, perfect for household use. Pros: compact and portable design. Quiet and suitable for sleep. Affordable 8000 BTU cooling for small to medium rooms. Cons: less powerful for larger rooms. Requires window venting setup. Perfect for bedrooms, small apartments, home offices, or dorm rooms. Great for people who want portable and quiet cooling on a budget. Ideal for users who need easy installation and mobility. At $179.99, the GarveeLife portable AC is an affordable, compact, and efficient cooling solution for small to medium-sized rooms. Check the link in the description to get yours today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.